In this class, we are going to study about the functional area of management. Management includes many functions. These functions helpful for the business organization or any organization to achieve its predetermined goal. Functional areas of management mainly marketing management, second human resource management, third one financial management, fourth one production management. In marketing management, it deals with the activity of the product and services to the consumers, transferring product and services from producer to the consumer. In human resource management, it deals with the employees of the organization. Third one, financial management. Financial management in this use and acquisition or distribution of the financial matters are included. In production management, it is a conversion, transformation of raw materials into finished product. These are the four important functional areas of management. Firstly, marketing management. In a broad sense of marketing management is the activity of providing goods and services from producer to consumers. Each and every production is based on the demand of the consumers. What goods and product they need, consumers need, as per the producers going to know about the wishes and demand of the consumers, they are going to produce. So, it is transformation of consumers' demand into final product. Matters included in a marketing management. In marketing management, over and above exchange of goods and services for money, there are other points. We know that marketing management means its first function to transform the goods and services from the producer to consumers as per the demand of the consumers. There are other points like market research, distribution method, sales promotion, storage and insurance. Other than this, transformation of goods from producer to consumers, other functions. Marketing research. Marketing research means collecting various information from the market. It is based on the consumers' demand and their needs. Distribution method. Distribution method means how this product will reach from producer to the customer. There is different ways there. One of these producer directly going to sell this product to consumer through their own shops. Otherwise, producer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, retailer to consumer. Then other stage nowadays in modern concept online shopping. Producer directly going to sell his product to the consumers through use of internet. Then other is about producer give his product to the wholesaler, wholesaler going to distribute it directly to consumers. Then third one, sales promotion. Sales promotion means it is an increasing sales activity through various type of the advertisement and various type of information about product. Mainly about advertisement through TV channels, newspapers, etc. Then storage. Storage is the time between production to this product going to reach in the hands of the customer. So in between that storage is needed. That some of the product can produce in some seasonal time only. In between this transforming from producer to consumer, that is the time want to store this product. Nowadays different type of the godown facility is available. Government godown and private godown also available. Other case about insurance. Insurance is the compensation about any type of the damage. So matters included in marketing management: transformation of goods and services from producer to the consumers. Then other is about the marketing research, distribution method, sales promotion, storage and insurance. Then important elements of marketing management: materials or services, goods and services. Second one, physical distribution of policy. Then third one, price policy, sales promotion and packaging. These are the important elements included in marketing management. Main objective of marketing management: it is converted into goods and services. We know that each and every market is depend upon the consumer's demand. Consumer is the supreme in market. On the basis of consumers' demand or their wish, various goods and services going to provide. Then it is provided to the final consumers or customer or the user so as to satisfy the needs of certain specific customer group or groups. Need satisfaction is the one of the objective of marketing management. Marketing management is a market based study and knowing about the demand of the consumer as per the demand or needs of the consumer, various goods and service going to provide. Another point is to give importance to optimum utilization of the available resources so as to maximize profitability. This business is an economic activity. Economic activity means to attain economic gain. In this case, it gives importance to optimum utilization of the organizations and resources and to achieve maximum profit from that activity with the available resources so as to maximize profitability. Another point, another main objective of marketing management is to consumer satisfaction or customers orientation. We know that the marketing management that is based on the consumers demand and function. So it is based on the consumer satisfaction, otherwise consumers need. Main objective of marketing management is to customers satisfaction or consumer orientation. Functions of marketing management. Functions of marketing management in four categories. First one, product or product mix. Second one, price. Third one, distribution. Fourth one, promotion. First one, product or product mix. It is regarding about the product, decision about the product. The decision regarding development of new product or existing product includes appearance, color, size, shape, weight, print, packing, guarantee of work, after sales service, variety of product, etc. These are included in a product or product mix. It is a decision about the product. This will decide the product, its color, its size, shape, weight, guarantee of one, after sales service, and a different type of product available in the market. Then second one, price. It is a decision regarding the fixation of price. Price is very important. Every consumer they need to get good quality of product at a reasonable price. So every business organization must want to take care about the while fixing of its price. Many factors included in a price fixation. In modern times, a customer expects availability of better quality of goods at reasonable rate. Therefore, utmost care should be taken while deciding the price of the product. The price decision includes sales policy, credit policy. Credit policy means availability of loan or installment. Other one policy regarding discount. Sometimes some of the seasonal wise product will get it is given to wholesalers or to retailer sale, and also commission to be to mediators etc. are included. So price not mean that production cost, it will included at the time of production to it reach in the hands of the consumer. Some price relaxation, discount at a different time period. The third function of marketing management, distribution. Distribute the product from producer to the customer. Distribution means include decision regarding various ways of selling, like direct selling through the wholesaler, retailers, agent, as well as problems related to transportation, which way want to transport, which mode of transportation want to use, etc. Distribution mix is related to the size and scope of the business unit. This distribution function of marketing management is based on the size of the market, size of the business organization. Marketing management only internal trade or the international trade on the base of it is going to change. Multinational company, its distribution channel is different. Then small scale industry or organization or business, its distribution channel also different from big size. So distribution makes includes a decision regarding how to distribute it from producer to the consumer. Fourth function of marketing management, that is promotion. Promotion means increase the sales activity, increase the amount of product sales. Promotion aims at remarkable increase in sales. It includes matters like advertisement, publicity, selling through, salesman, ways and means to attract the consumers and traders, etc. Though promotion mix is expensive, it leads to increasing sales, which result into higher profitability. Promotion means the increase in the sales activity. So they can use a different type of advertisement through promotion. Sales will increase, profitability of the organization going to increase. These are the functions of marketing management.